In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change video background in Capcut without green screen. So let's get started. First, open Capcut on your PC. Now click New Project. Click Import option and select the video that you wish to set as a background. Now drag the video to the timeline. Now import another video of which you want to remove the background. Now drag this video on the top of previously added video clip. Keep the video selected and click Cutout option on the right panel. Now select Auto Cutout option. This will cut out only human figures from the video. Processing will take some time depending on the size of your video. Once done, when you play the video, you will find that the video background is now changed. Just click on Export button at the top and export the video in the required format. So that is how you can change video background in CapCut without green screen. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.